Hello, this is my review of the Kitty City cat play structure. This Kitty City play structure has mesh and is pop-up material at the ends. I have 3 kittens around 3 months old and a mama cat that is about 1.5 years currently. As you can see, they really enjoy this cat structure. They have gotten hours of enjoyment going in and out of the play structure, jumping on top of the play structure, as well as going underneath the play structure. There are zippers at the ends of each of the squares that you can zip up in its entirety or unzip for the cats to go in and out of. The tubing is a turquoise blue, and as much play as they have enjoyed, there has been no wear and tear on the Kitty City at all.